Okay, so here's the fan. It took a minute to get the filter in, so I will say you might have a little trouble with that, but I got it in. Remote is like a hearing aid battery in there. If you've ever seen one of those, it looks like, oh, sorry guys, it's a bit messy, but it looks like that. And then once you put it in, everything seems to go. It oscillates, it's very quiet. Sorry, trying to get everything together. All right, so here you go. So you can turn the fan all the way up. So it goes all the way to 9. Yeah, 9. And then it also oscillates, whatever. I just have it sitting here just for now. But yeah, and then there's a nighttime mode as well. I haven't set that up yet, but I will probably either tonight or tomorrow. So overall, good fan. Well worth the money.
Hello, I am enjoying this fan. It has a filter and it feels like the air is so much more cleaner, and it's really strong on number 9 level. It has 9 levels. It's pretty quiet. I actually like it on the louder, and 9 feels really blowing really good, and it adjusts pretty well. Doesn't adjust too much, but just enough. And it has remote control that I use. It works out pretty good, and also you can touch the screen as well. So you can turn it off, you can turn it on that way. I just got it a week ago and use it every night, and it works wonderful. I'm really happy to have it. Great machine. Really glad I got it. It's making my night very much more pleasant.
I can feel the air coming out. There's no blades. It's doing a good job. It purifies. It is lightweight.
get back road.